So you just observe carefully. Now we are going to run our program by using MATLAB. So for this purpose, click on MATLAB IDE or MATLAB IDE. This is the software for the SEM. So see here, this window is pop up. Now go to project, click on project, new project wizard. When you click on new project wizard, this new window is pop up. So in this window you have to click on next. See this one. So you just click on next. So device is selected over here, that is PIC 16F877A. Then click on next. Okay, now we are going to use this Microchip Map X8 tool suite, which is compatibly designed for C language. So here the compiler is there. So click on next. Now you just browse, you just select the directory where you want to save your project. Give the project name. Suppose here I am going to give the project name as N. Okay, see, N, this is the project name. Okay, now you just save this project name. Okay, see here, your project name is on E. Okay, and the name is N. So you just click on next. This window is pop up. Click on next, finish. Okay, now when you click on finish, the window is look like this. Okay, see here, this is your project window, isn't it? Okay, and this is your output window. So below you have the output window, and the first one is the project window. Now you just click on file, because here we want to create new file. Okay, so click on file and then new. Now this window is pop up. This is your editing window. Here you are going to edit your program. Now I have copied the program with me, and so I just click or paste that program in this window. So this is the program which is used to make your LEDs on and off. Okay, so this is your program, isn't it? Okay, now see, I'm just going to drag this window. Okay, so once you do this, you just click on save. Okay, see here, I'm clicking over here, say you just click over here, or you just go to file and click on save. Okay, so when you click on the save, this window is pop up where you have to give the label for your file. Again, I am to give the label N, as the program in C dot extension is what C, that is N.C. So once this happen, you just click on save. Okay, now go to your project window, right click on source file, this one. Okay, now click on add files. Okay, so the file which is we have created already, that is N.C, that we have to add in our project window. So hence we have to click on add files. See here, N.C, this is the file that is we created just. Okay, so this file we have to open. Okay, when you click on open, this file is created below the source file. Now see, this is empty, but when you click on open, it is open in the window. See, before what I have shown, it is not there, but now the N.C, this file is there. Okay, once you do this, you have to move, you have to click on configure. We have to configure some pins. Okay, so just click on configure. See here, click on configure bits. Okay, observe, sorry, configure, see, configure bits. Okay, once you click on this option, this window is pop up. You just observe. So which bits are configured there, we are going to see. See, these are the fields which we have to configure over here. That is FOC, that is oscillator. We are selecting RC oscillator. Watch timer is enabled. Okay, then power timer is enabled. So we have to configure this one. So see, this we have to disable. Which one? This one. Okay, see here. Now this is watch timer that we have to disable. So I just click on disable. Sorry, once again we have to click on disable. Okay, now again this BOR, that is brown out reset, is also we have to disable it. So click on disable. Okay, so in this way we have to keep all things are off. Okay, alls are disabled over here. So our configuration is near about done. So just click on close, cross. Okay, when you click that, the window is pop up like this. Your window is look like this. Okay, next we have to build this. So for any error checking, we have to build our program. So you have to go to project, then click on build. Once you click on build, you have to observe the output window. The message is pop up, build successfully. Okay, when you did this, you have to move ahead. Now we have to interface our kit. See, this kit is interface over here, is it? This is our programmer kit. This is PIC kit 3 programmer, and this is our target board. Okay, this kit is connected to the USB port, and this is the power wire. Okay, power cable which is connected to the power one. Okay, now when this kit is connected, okay, you have to go to the programmer. Okay, click on programmer, click on select programmer. This is your PIC kit 3 programmer. So this new window is pop up, that is voltage cautions. Okay, there is only 5 volt is required. The caution is given to you, you have to use 5 volt. Okay, once you click on OK, okay, you just observe this window here. PIC kit 3 is connected, the message is pop up. Okay, the device ID or the device target is detected. This message is given here. When this message is given, that means your kit is connected. PIC kit 3 is connected over here. Okay, now see, when your PIC kit is connected, you have to go to the programmer, then you have to click on program. Okay, now see, your program is programming is very fine, complete. Means your program, means your codes are written in your PIC controller. Now you have to move to programmer, and you have to select program, and that is what? None. Okay, so in this way you have to program your PIC kit 3.